Okay, so this is an overview of reporting in Stok.ly. Stok.ly plugs into Power BI, plug and play, and you get real-time reporting. So when we look at the Power BI interface, it works a little bit like Excel, where we can have different tabs down the bottom with different reports. In the right-hand side, you'll see the different types of charts, so that, I might not want a donut graph, I might want a bar chart, etc. So it's quite easy to control. You can create combinations of what these are called cards with aggregate numbers or counts with graphs. And down the right hand side here is every data point in Stok.ly for you to create your reports with. So, for example, in items table, you've got every data point about items, and we'll use that to create a quick report in a moment. When it comes to filtering, we can filter by date ranges. You've got all sorts of controls over the date ranges. In this case, I've chosen is before the 1st of October. Um, but we can just easily change that. And that'll just refresh and make the adjustment. So really easy to use. Now, a nice feature here is I can create a layout for my mobile phone. So I might just want this chart and this chart as a headline, and that's what would show on my phone. So you can have it on PCs, TVs, in warehouses, sales rooms, tablets, and your phone. Obviously, the reports can get a lot more complex. So if we have a look here, we can create complex reports, nice visual dashboards, the ability to filter, choose multiple sections. So if you're filtering by, different channels across e-commerce, stores, depots, salespeople, that type of thing, you can create whatever kind of report you want and filter it, set date ranges and what have you. Combination again of cards and graphs and what have you, and nice and colorful and visual. We can also create quite sophisticated table reports. This is a sell-through report. Looks at the stock available at the start of the period that you choose here in the date range. We can be selecting channel, department. You can set these up as you need them. Stock today, stock cost on hand, sold in total, the cost of sale, the total sales value, your profit, your gross profit, your sell-through, total ever, your sell-through cost, and then of course you can have a look at the sell-through rate for the period and what have you. So, we can set up whatever columns you need. It's very powerful. If we didn't want a specific column, we could select this chart, and then you could remove one of these columns. You could add columns in. You can see all the columns here that we've added in. You can rename them for the visual. So really easy to control and customize reports as you need them. And if we just jump in, we'll create a simple table report quickly. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to select a table, and now I can just drag. So I'm going to just drag the item name in there, the SKU. I can then say select the item type. You can see the category. I could then come down to, sales order, items. I could have a look at items in sales orders. I could have a look at the currency that it's sold in, etc. And I can build out my reports as I need them. And of course, I've got the choice of tables or charts or what have you. So reporting in Stok.ly is very flexible, fully customizable. These reports can sit on PCs, they can be published for people to view them and refreshed. So people are always seeing the latest version. It can be held on your phone and customized for your phone. They can be on TVs in your warehouse, in sales rooms. So very flexible reporting, either visual or table orientated. That's reporting in Stok.ly.